In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Strikingly to create a website. We'll walk through everything from signing up to publishing. So by the end, you'll have a clean professional site live on the web. Start by heading to strikingly.com, click the Get Started button, and create your account using your email, or sign up with Google or Facebook if that's easier. The basic plan doesn't require a credit card, which is great for trying things out without pressure. Next, choose a template. Strikingly offers both single page and multi page layouts. Single page works well for portfolios, simple businesses, or landing pages, while multi page suits larger sites like stores or blogs. Browse the categories and pick a design that fits your goal: business, portfolio, online store, or blog. Don't worry if you're not sure, you can change your template later. Open the editor by clicking Edit and start customizing. Click any text to replace it with your own words. Click Images to upload your photos or graphics. You can drag entire sections to reorder the layout, which makes it easy to highlight your most important content near the top. Add content sections to build out your site. Click Add New Section and choose from options like a hero or banner, an about section, services, a gallery, a contact form, a blog, or a store. Think about the journey a visitor should take and include only what supports that story. Customize the overall design under Styles. Here you can change fonts, colors, and button styles to match your brand. Upload your logo so it appears consistently across your site, and add a favicon for a polished browser tab icon. Keep contrast high and typography simple for readability. If you need advanced features, you can add them now. For an online store, click Simple Store, add products, set pricing and photos, and connect PayPal or Stripe to accept payments. For inquiries, add a contact section, customize the form fields to collect what you need, and set email notifications so you never miss a message. If you have a custom domain, go to Settings, then Domains, to buy one through Strikingly or connect your own. Preview your site on mobile. Strikingly layouts are mobile responsive, but it's smart to check spacing, image sizes, and headlines so everything looks great on small screens. When you're ready, click Publish. Your site goes live instantly, and you'll receive a free subdomain like your name, strikingly.com. You can upgrade anytime to use a custom domain. Finally, visit Settings, then SEO to set your page title, meta description, and social sharing image. You can also connect Google Analytics on paid plans for traffic insights. Keep refining as you go, and you'll have a site you're proud to share.